Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to delete the added language from this device. For this, go to settings, tap on general, scroll down, tap on the option language and region. So here you can see the English is the basic language. So I added one more language here. So to delete, if you add more than one language or one language in your device, I will show you how to remove this language from your device. So here you can see the option edit button on the top right side. Tap on this one. So here you can see the minus button on the left side of the languages, and you tap on the option minus button that the language that you want to delete. So from here I am going to delete the language Hindi. Tap on this one, then tap on the option delete. Tap on done. Continue. Setting language. Now just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, now you can see there is only one language. So simply in this way you can remove the added languages from this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.